In this video from Device Doctor, I will show you how to replace the maintenance box in the Epson EcoTank L6570 printer.
If you're having trouble with your printer, you can fix it for free on your own. If you have any technical questions or aren't sure which printer to buy, just ask us for expert advice and free support.
The Epson EcoTank L6570 is a powerful all-in-one printer. The maintenance box in the Epson L6570 collects waste ink that comes out during cleaning and printing. When this box becomes full, the printer stops working and shows an error. Replacing it with a new one keeps your printer clean and running smoothly. Step 1. Turn off the Epson L6570 printer completely before starting the maintenance box replacement. This ensures safety and prevents any accidental damage during the process. Step 2. Remove the old maintenance box carefully and replace it with a new one. Make sure it is securely seated in its slot to prevent any leaks or errors. Step 2. Removing the old maintenance box is very simple. Follow the video carefully. First, open the top cover of the box. Gently pull the box forward to detach it from the waste ink tube, and then carefully lift it out. This prevents spills and ensures safe removal before installing the new box. Check the code on your maintenance box. It's on the top, side, or bottom. For the Epson L6570, the correct code is C9345. Make sure the new box matches this code so the printer works correctly. The new maintenance box we purchased has the correct code for our Epson L6570 printer. However, this box also works with many other printer models. On the packaging, you will see a list of compatible printers. It is not limited to just one model. Step 4. Take the new maintenance box out of its packaging and carefully insert it into the printer. Make sure it is placed correctly and fits firmly in its slot. Once it is installed, you can turn on the printer. The price of this maintenance box is usually between $20 and $30, depending on the country, seller, and packaging. With this small cost, you can refresh your printer's waste ink system and get it ready for long printing sessions. Now your Epson L6570 printer is fully refreshed and ready for smooth, reliable printing again. Replacing the maintenance box is a simple but very important step to keep your printer healthy and prevent waste ink errors in the future. If this tutorial helped you, do not forget to like the video, subscribe to Device Doctor, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our next useful printer guides and maintenance tips. Stay smart, stay productive with Device Doctor.